First of all, I would like to thank MitSna for giving us this opportunity to do something during this quarantine period. So, the name of my topic is periodic table. I believe that it is always good to start with the basics. So, I will start from the Mendeleev periodic table. When we say Mendeleev periodic table, it was first proposed by Dmitry Mendeleev, a Russian chemist, in the year 1869. And it states that the physical and the chemical properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic weight, which means that the elements are going to be arranged according to their atomic weight. This is what we call the Mendeleev periodic table. I will not be talking much about this. I would only say that it was very wise of Mendeleev to leave some gaps, because he believed that some elements are still going to be discovered. So next, I will just come to the modern periodic table. When we say modern periodic table, it can be said that it was proposed by Henry Moseley in the year 1913. It states that the physical and the chemical properties are the periodic function of their atomic number, which means that the elements are going to be arranged according to their atomic number, and thus it was approved by the IUPAC, whose long form is International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. IUPAC is the one which gives names to all the fields, mostly for the chemistry. And now let's talk about the elements. Till that we have 118 elements which start from hydrogen to oxygen. We have 7 periods and 18 groups, where the elements are being grouped according to their properties, physical and chemical properties. Now let's come to the notation for IUPAC nomenclature of elements. When we say notation for IUPAC nomenclature of elements, it means the giving of names to the elements which are we can give names to elements which are even yet to be discovered. Like, for example, by using all these, the given below, like the digit, the name, the abbreviations, and all. By using all these things, we can give names to each and every element. Like, let's say for example, let's give the name for element 120. It is not yet discovered, but we can give their names. Like, where 1, for 1 it will be U and N, then 2 will be BI by, then 0 will be NIL, nil, and what you just have to add is IUM, which means unbinilium. This is the name. Like this, you can do many things. You can even do for 150, or let's say 200, 1000, like then pen, then nil, then IUM. So this is such an easy one. Now I'll be talking about remembering the periodic table. We have 118 elements till then. So what would be the appropriate way of learning all of them? But the important thing is that you don't need to learn each and everything. You just have to know how to capture the things in the most easiest way. So right now I'll be teaching one simple way in which I used to remember things. That is, we have to imagine the elements in the form of a picture or in the form of signs. That is the best way in which we can remember things. Like, for example, period. For period 1, which includes elements like the hydrogen and helium. We can use symbols like for hydrogen we can use Hi And for helium we can use hello, hi, hello. That means period 1, that is hydrogen and helium. That is one easy way. And for like period 2, let me write down the thing first. We can use words or sentence like lion below burning car, needs oxygen for new life. Here we can easily know that here we have hydrogen and helium, and this line will be lithium. Lion will be lithium, and the below will be lithium, beryllium, burning will be boron, car will be carbon, and Ne will be nitrogen, and oxygen will be oxygen, F will be fluorine, and the new life will be neon. So in this way we can easily learn the periodic table. And I'll just skip the next one because the elements are quite easy. And here I'll come to the elements of 21 to 30. There is a very easy way of learning for me. That is like we can learn in this way: sky, T, V, cro, man, fe, ko, ni, ku, zing. Sky, TV, chroman, fe, ko, ni, ku, zing. Which means scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, copper, nickel, copper, zinc. That is from 21 to 30. You can learn it in just a couple of seconds. So this is a very easy way of learning. I hope that you all understand it, and thank you so much.